Here is a review for Francis Spin Happy Jackpot review. So as you can see, Francis Spin Happy Jackpot is only available on Google Play, so you can just only play this if you are using an Android phone. If it's still not available, you can go ahead and go to apkpure.net and download the APK version of the Francis Spin Happy Jackpot review. So as you can see here, you can go ahead and download the APK format as you scroll down, and what you need to do is just go ahead and zip it to the device where you download it, especially if it's Android. Now let's see, is the Francis Spin fake or real? As you can see, when you search it on Google, there are a lot of reviews that you can see about it. Starting from the images, you can see that it is like a lottery-like game. So, if you want to gamble or like to play lottery, this game is the right one for you. Also, if we see the logo, it is very vibrant slot machine that spins on your phone, promising not just fun but cold hard cash. So, if you'd like a hard cash instantly, you can use this application on your end. However, if you're not interested, you can just go ahead and ignore this game.